Today we are discussing about bandwidth, sensitivity and quality factor of series resonance circuits. Figure shows the frequency resonance of a series RLC circuits. If we assume I naught to be current at the condition of resonance, the power delivered to the circuit at resonance would be I naught square into R. When current falls to I naught by root 2, that is equal to 0.707 into I naught, the power delivered becomes P is equal to I naught by I square by I naught by root 2 whole square into R, that is equal to 1 by 2 into I naught square into R. Frequency resonance of the series RLC circuits. From figure observe A, B are the terminal power points. A, B are the power points. F1, F2 are the off power frequencies or cutoff frequencies. F1 is the lower cutoff frequency. F2 is equal to upper cutoff frequency. F0 is equal to resonance frequency. I0 is equal to current. A and B are the power points. F1 is equal to lower cutoff frequency, F2 is equal to higher cutoff frequency, Fr is equal to resonance frequency, I0 is equal to current, power deliver I0 by root 2 whole square into R. Next, bandwidth is equal to the range of frequency between frequencies F1 and F2 is called bandwidth. Bandwidth is equal to higher cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency, F2 minus F1. It is denoted with the letter edges units denoted delta F. Quality factor of series RLC circuit, the ratio of resonance frequency to bandwidth. Quality factor ఏంటంటే resonance FR by F2 bandwidth అనమాట. అంటే quality factor is equal to FR by delta F or bandwidth. Quality factor is same as voltage magnification and may be defined as the ratio of voltage developed across inductance and capacitance to applied voltage, that is Q is equal to I into XL over I into XC by V, that is equal Q is equal to omega naught L by R or 1 by omega naught into CR. Quality factor is equal to resonance frequency by bandwidth. Bandwidth is equal to F2 minus F1. Q is equal to 1 by R into root of L by C. Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. That is equal to Q is equal to 2 pi into in bracket of maximum energy stored by energy dissipated per cycle. At a resonance I0 will be maximum, and hence maximum energy stored can be written as maximum energy is equal to half Li square. Here I is equal to I0 square, that is equal to inductive parameters in capacitance of Cv square. Energy dissipated for cycle is equal to average power per cycle into period, that is equal to Irm square into R into T, that is equal to I0 by root 2 square into R into 1 by F0, that is equal to I0 square into R by 2 into F0, that is equal to Q is equal to 2 pi into 1 by 2 into Li I0 square into R by 2 into F0, that is equal to Q is equal to omega naught L by R. Sensitivity is equal to bandwidth by resonance frequency, the ratio of bandwidth to resonance frequency. Sensitivity ki quality factor that reciprocal of band quality factor is known as sensitivity. Sensitivity of series RLC circuit may be defined as ratio of bandwidth delta F by Fr, F2 minus Fr by F1 by F0. Next, expression for bandwidth. Consider the frequency resonance of series RLC circuit given at point A in the figure. Ws denote an angular frequency at half power power frequency at this point. The capacitive resonance 1 by omega c at RMS value of the current. The above expression can be written as I naught by root 2 into V by root 2 into R. When current falls to I naught by root 2 is equal to impedance of the circuit becomes Z is equal to square root of R square plus omega s L minus omega s into C whole square. Z is here, Z is equal to R. వాల్యూస్ అని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఎన్ని చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? మ్యాక్సిమం వోల్టేజ్ డ్రాప్ ఎక్కర్స్ సి resonance frequency FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. Q is equal to 1 by R into root of L by C. Q is equal to omega L by R లేదా 1 by omega CR. నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాండ్ విడ్త్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హయ్యర్ కట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ మైనస్ లోయర్ కట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రెజొనెన్స్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ రెజొనెన్స్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ టు బ్యాండ్ విడ్త్ అంటే ఎఫ్ఆర్ బై F2 minus F1 that is equal to FR by delta F that is equal to FR by BW. Q is equal to next sensitivity is equal to the ratio of bandwidth to resonance frequency that is equal to F2 minus F1 by FR that is equal to delta F by FR and BW by FR is equal to sensitivity. Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Most very important. Bandwidth comma sensitivity of A comma B are the power points. F1 is the lower cutoff frequency, F2 is higher cutoff frequency, F0 or FR is equal to resonance frequency, I0 is equal to maximum current, 0.0 RMS current, I0 by root 2, 0.70 root 2. Frequency response of the series RLC circuits. Bandwidth sensitivity quality factor most very important. Bandwidth sensitivity quality factor. Bandwidth is equal to higher cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency. It is denoted with the letter delta F. F2 minus F1. Quality factor Q is equal to the ratio of resonance frequency to bandwidth. FR by F2 minus F1 that is equal to FR by delta F that is equal to FR by BW. Sensitivity is equal to the ratio of bandwidth to resonance frequency F2 minus F1 by FR that is delta F by FR that is equal to B dot W by FR. మళ్ళీ తెచ్చు ఇండిషన్లో